Before buying an Apple CarPlay head unit, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, HAUXIY Wireless CarPlay Screen. Let's kick things off with the HAUXIY 9 Wireless Apple CarPlay Screen. This caught my eye because it's not just a head unit. It's a full-fledged system with a built-in 4K dash cam, all for around $109.99. If you want a reliable way to integrate your phone with your car, this is worth a serious look. The standout feature here is its 4K front camera. This means you're not just getting a CarPlay interface, you're also getting enhanced safety with clear video capture. Real-time GPS navigation is another huge plus. It syncs with apps like Google Maps and Waze, guiding you without the usual lag. Plus, its voice control lets you navigate, make calls, and listen to music seamlessly. With over 373 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clearly making waves. Now, some users did mention that the installation can be a bit tricky, especially with the wiring for the rear camera. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable with a little DIY or have a friend who's handy, it's not a deal breaker. It's still a fantastic option for the price. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly yet feature-packed CarPlay head unit. Skip this one if you're looking for a more traditional stereo setup without the added camera functionality. But at this price, you really can't go wrong. Product number 2, PLZ 10.1 Wireless Car Radio. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list is the PLZ 10.1 Wireless Single DIN Car Radio, priced at $199.99. What caught my attention is its immersive 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen, which just enhances your driving experience. If you want a massive display without breaking the bank, this could be your go-to. You can connect your phone without fumbling with cords every time you hop in. The built-in DSP means you get audiophile-level sound quality that truly makes your music come alive. With a 240W peak power output, you can feel the bass without distortion, which is perfect for those long drives. However, a few users noted that it requires a specific dash kit for installation, which can be an extra hassle. But if you're committed to upgrading your car's tech, this shouldn't deter you, just make sure to double-check your vehicle's compatibility. This is perfect for those looking to upgrade to a large touchscreen interface without sacrificing sound quality. Skip this one if you want something simpler or if your vehicle doesn't support the size requirements. Product number 3, PLZ 7 Double DIN Car Stereo. Next up is the PLZ 7 Wireless Double DIN Car Stereo, retailing at $129.99. This one really surprised me with its features considering the price point. If you're after a solid all-rounder, this is definitely worth a look. It supports both wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can jump into your apps and music without delay. The 7-inch IPS touchscreen provides excellent clarity, making it easy to navigate while driving. With a 240W max output and built-in DSP, the sound quality is impressive, ensuring you get the bass and clarity you crave on the road. However, some users pointed out that it lacks a Wi-Fi hotspot function, which could be a deal breaker if you need constant internet access for navigation. This is perfect for budget-conscious drivers who still want a modern look and feel in their car. Skip this one if you're set on features like a hotspot or if you need a larger display. Product number 4, Boss BVCP 9700A Car Stereo. Now let's talk about the Boss Audio Systems BVCP 9700A, priced at $164.99. This double DIN stereo blends functionality with a clean interface. If you want a no-frills approach with solid performance, check this one out. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration are straightforward and hassle-free. It features multiple input options, including USB and camera inputs, so you can customize it to your needs. With a solid 4.2-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its ease of use. However, one common complaint was about the absence of a CD/DVD player, which might frustrate those who still have physical media. But let's be real, most of us are streaming or using our phones these days, so it's not a significant issue. This is perfect for anyone who wants a straightforward, reliable CarPlay option without extra bells and whistles. Skip this one if you absolutely need a CD player or more advanced features. Product number 5. Boss BVCP 9700A FL Car Stereo. Finally, we have the Boss BVCP 9700A FL Single DIN Car Stereo. Priced at $179.99, it offers wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, making it a convenient choice for those who want to keep their setup clean and cable-free. If you want a compact option without sacrificing functionality, this could be the right pick. Plus, it's designed to be integrated with your steering wheel controls, so you can manage everything without taking your hands off the wheel. The external microphone also enhances call clarity, making it a great option for hands-free use. That said, some users have reported that the installation can be a bit tricky, especially if you're not familiar with car audio systems. But if you're willing to put in the effort or seek professional help, it's a solid investment. This is perfect for those who want a compact, feature-rich head unit that integrates well into your existing setup. Skip this one if you prefer a larger display or need something more advanced. So to wrap things up, we've covered the HAUXIY wireless CarPlay screen, the PLZ 10.1 and 7 models, and 2 Boss audio systems options. Each has its strengths, whether it's the budget-friendly price, the large touchscreens, or the ease of use. No matter what your needs are, there's definitely an Apple CarPlay head unit here for you.